Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am here. So, for today's video, which is going to be, I might start a tutorial video on OBS, like a series of tutorials. I still have no idea what I'm going to do yet, but again, this is a big maybe. On today's video, we're going to make it so when you see a live streamer, like you see gameplay, you see notifications, you see their camera, we're going to make that for you, but on Discord, because sometimes you want people to see you, like to watch you play games while you have your camera open inside of the game, like those Twitch streamers or YouTubers or whatever you want to call them, honestly. So yeah, today's video is gonna be on how to do that specifically, and it's going to be very easy. Well, first of all, you should have OBS open. Okay, so you have your scene. Let's say, for example, that we need a source. What should we have? Let's say game capture. Again, it's going to depend. You have game capture, you have window capture, and you have display capture. Of course, we always do not like using display capture because we don't want to be showing everything we have. I mean, I am using display capture right now just so that I can give a better example, because I'm going to be dragging things in and out of my main monitor. So yeah, for example, let's get game capture. Okay. Specific window, because I like specific window. I don't like any application. I have Payday 2 open. We'll do capture audio just in case you want to record it. Like, again, there's a way to output your game audio to Discord, but we'll leave that for another day if you guys would like to know how to do it. Okay, and let's say that you want your camera to be on. Let's see. Video capture device. Create new. Well, this is my camera. I have it used in another program right now, so I might need to delete it for a second. Nice. Deactivate and activate it, and yep. Yeah, this is me. Hello, how you doing? Just for my sake, let me add the excuse me, there seems to be a plugin that got removed when I was messing with the settings earlier. That's weird. That's actually very worrying if I have to. Oh well. And we're back. Yeah, it seems to me that I forgot to load in a script because I thought it was a plugin. But then it seems that I forgot that it was a script. I mean, silly me, let's be honest. But yeah, here's the script. Basically, I just had it installed it again. Oh, for fuck's sake, I clicked stroke instead of... Yo. Perfect. Okay, anyway. So you just drag it down, make it smaller. Like this, for example. You just put your image how big you want it to be. And that's it. Like, what more do you want? I mean, yes, if you want to be fancy about it, you can do something like... You need some plugins, of course, to do what I'm about to do, which is the shadow plugin. I mean, script. Oh, no, it's a plugin. Okay, I have it installed. The shadow plugin will give you a shadow for yourself. Manual, dual. It's like a small black box that you can change the color of any way you want. Like, let's say we want it red. Like, let's say we want it red. See? Easy. I mean, yeah, I have it top and bottom because I have removed the edges, of course. But if you want it to be fancy and you want to do what I usually do when I have my main setup, which is I basically add another plugin. Go figure. Which is the background removal. And change this black. Well, not black. Let's say grayish. Oh yeah, there's an order of how things should be. Yeah, I forgot there's an order to plugins when you want to use them as webcams. Let me make this white. And let me turn that one white too. And turn this down. Yep. Well, for some reason it's registering this light as non-existent, which is I'm using the NVIDIA background remover. And what I did basically is put some shadow to my character. I can make it thicker. No, NVIDIA should be last. And this should be here. And let's maximum the intensity. Shadow distance should be at 0. So yeah. Like, there's basically a black aura around me, which I can just use. So here's what this would look if I had a white background behind me. Color source. Okay. Nice. See? Black aura around you. Like you can say your aura farming at this rate. So yeah. And actually important bit that we started all of this before I got distracted is start virtual camera, because a lot of people don't know what virtual camera does on OBS. Ignore that part. And then have your Discord on. And now you can open your camera. See? Yes, you can have your camera here, basically here. You'll have your small shadow behind you. You can make it less. You can just play with it. Like you've seen the plugin names and everything. You can just figure it out. And yeah, let's not forget that Discord flips it in your point of view, but put it in the correct direction for other people watching. So yeah, this has been my first video. I'm probably gonna remove a big chunk of it, trying to figure out why I wasn't able to fix my camera settings, because this is the fish lens camera and I want to unfish lens it. I don't know, I'm just trying to words are hard. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.